This week's Hot Property Alert takes us to Sorrento Mesa. If you've dreamed of living at 3Roots, now's your opportunity to own a smart townhome that's light and bright for under $1.1 million. Let's go take a look. If you're looking for a home with modern living, sustainability, and community, they all come together at 3Roots in Sorrento Mesa. Built in 2022, this two-story townhome has a light, bright, open floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms with an attached 2-car garage. It's a smart home that includes integrated wireless Wi-Fi, an air filtration system, along with filtered water throughout the whole home. Amenities included in the low HOAs will definitely wow you. Easy to stay fit since you'll have a membership to one of the top gyms in San Diego. So much to love here. Imagine having this resort-style lap pool to enjoy or this spacious hot tub. You'll feel like you're on vacation with all these cabanas. There's a lounge area with co-working spaces and barbecues with plenty of space for parties. Your neighborhood oasis also includes access to 38 acres of parks with a children's playground and over 8 miles of walking trails. 3Roots is in a prime location close to freeways, restaurants, and shopping. Sorrento Mesa offers easy access to major companies such as the Google Campus and Illumina. My listing at 10961 Malamet Court is in the Asana Plan 1, built by Shea Homes in the 3Roots community, which sits 17 miles from downtown San Diego and about 20 minutes from the coast.